We're at the place to get solar put up on the RV, and there's a lot of people having a lot of stuff work done to their place too. It's Solar Energy Systems in Napanee, Indiana.
Miles and miles of the clear blue skies. We drive straight as a narrow flies. Nowhere to be, no dreams to chase tonight. We've got time to waste, let's waste it right. You and I, heads up in the clouds. We're caught out with the birds flying south. Nothing to see.
Welcome back. You know how it is when you get into a solar situation. You always want more and more and more. I upped to get 2,000 on the roof instead of 1,600, and we're trying to move it up where we get 1,000 watts or 1,000 amps hours, 10 petaborns, but we'll see. We're negotiating that right now.
Another day with the sunny sky, trying to light my way, but I'd rather be in the dark. I feel all the romance in the stars, surrounded by the universe with the moon and Mars. I feel it. Will you stay with me under the moonlight? We'll be magical as we dream. You won't know till you try. Under the moonlight, it wouldn't be the same without you here. You're my gravity that levels all my fears. Let's slip away, far away from all this noise. Alone with our shadows, feel our hearts beating warm. I feel it. Will you stay with me under the moonlight? We'll be magical.
Well, after some finagling around and looking at what I had on the roof, I'm putting 2,400 watts on the roof and 1,010 Battleborn batteries, 2 inverters, Victron inverters, our charge controllers, 2 Magnum inverters. So we're gonna be some off-grid machine.
Stay with me under the moonlight. We'll be magical as we dream. Will you stay with me under the moonlight? We'll be magical as we dream. You won't know till you try. rather be in the dark. I feel all the romance in the stars, surrounded by the universe with the moon and Mars. I feel it. Will you stay with me under the moonlight? We'll be magical as we dream. You won't know till you try. Under the moonlight, it wouldn't be the same without you here. You're my gravity that levels all my fears. Let's slip away, far away from all this noise. Alone with our shadows, feel our hearts beating warm. I feel it. Will you stay with me under the moonlight? We'll be magical as we dream. You won't know till you try.
Yeah, finally got our solar in. We have 2,400 watts on the roof. And then we have 10 Battleborn batteries right up under there, and we have 2 Victron solar chargers. They're MPPT 150/60 solar charges. We also have 2 Magnum 3,000 watt inverters also. So we're ready to do some boondocking. Let me show you what they did over here. As you can see right there, we have the breaker boxes for the inverters and the solar panels right there. Easy access. Everything's been easy access to these controller or these breaker boxes, so that we won't have to hunt for them if we need to.
And we still have a little bit of space right there. Not a whole
A
lot,
little bit of storage space right
but a little
there.
bit. And you know, if you live in an RV, every little bit.
Will you stay with me under the moonlight? We'll be magical as we dream. Will you stay with me under the moonlight? We'll be magical as we dream. Another day with the sunny sky.